Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today is the day 2 of Advent of Cyber 2023 and today is about the log analysis. So here is a backstory about today's task. So the learning objectives for today's tasks are that you will get an introduction to what data science involves and how it can be applied in cybersecurity. You also get a gentle introduction to Python, get to work with some popular Python libraries such as Pandas and Matplotlib to crunch data, and also help the Mac Honeybell establish an understanding of Antarcticraft's network. So I'm not going to read all the information that is provided here. You should read it yourself. So I'm going to just start the machine and answer the questions that are provided here because I have already read this information or the material that is provided. And then I'm going to just answer the questions that are here. So you have to first read whatever information is provided here and then try to answer the questions here. So the machine is up and we are good to go. So here the capstone for today's tasks. So we have learned how to process the data using Pandas and Matplotlib. So continue on to the workshop notebook located at for capstone, which we are here. If you're not, you can see you come here on folder 4, the capstone. We have the files that are necessary here. So what we have to do is we have a CSV file that provided the log information of the network, and also we have the workbook that we should work and write our code here. So let's start. Your task is to apply the skills learned throughout today's task to analyze a packet capture from the Antarcticraft's network. You will need to use pandas to analyze the data in the source, destination, and also the protocol. Apply the functions such as sum, average, size, and describe to this grouping. The packet capture and the required libraries have been imported for you. And the pandas is imported as PD, and the packet capture the network CSV provided as DF. So let's answer the following questions. The first question is that how many packets were captured looking through the packet number. So first, let's run the first piece of code here, or the cell. Okay, as we can see, we have it here. First, it imports the panda and also matplotlib to our notebook, and then it tries to read the CSV file that's provided here and display the first 5 of it. So now let's run this part again to make sure we are okay. So now let's write our own code. Here we need to use pandas to count the how many packets were captured on this CSV file. So for that, we're going to use df.count. So let's just run it and we can see that the packet number is 100. So the answer to this question would be 100. So for the next question here, we have to perform a group by in order to found that which IP address sent the most amount of traffic during the packet capture. So the example is provided here. You can see the data frame, which is df.group by. Then we need to provide the column name, which is the source, the IP address, and also we should the size of it. So let's run it and we should have packets here. So we can see that this IP address sent 8 packets, 8, 12, 13, 15. So I think the largest or the most amount of traffic that was sent was from this IP address 10.10.1.4, and that's okay. So now let's move to the next question. What is the most frequent protocol? So for this, we're going to use the same code that we used here, just we have to change from the source to the protocol. And let's run it. As we can see, we have DNS has 25 packets, HTTP 24, ICMP 27, and TCP 24. So the ICMP is the answer. And we are done for today's task. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also share it with your friends. And also feel free to share your thoughts on this task. See you tomorrow in the day 3 of Advent of Cyber 2023.